Is your RoboRock S7 slipping on your floors and dying before the job is even half done? Frustrating, right? If your RoboRock S7 is losing power quickly or slipping on smooth floors, you've hit the RoboRock S7 slump. Think of it like a car with a dead battery and no tread on the tires. After a year or two of hard work, the lithium cells lose their stamina, and those once grippy rubber wheels wear down to smooth plastic. Ignoring this doesn't just mean a dirty floor. Bald wheels can scratch your hardwoods, and a failing battery can eventually lead to internal hardware damage. But don't worry. RoboCare has the perfect fix to restore that factory floor grip and marathon runtime. Our certified technicians have years of hands-on experience and know the internal architecture of the RoboRock S7 inside and out. We don't believe in guesswork. We use professional-grade diagnostic equipment to test battery cell health and ensure your charging system is drawing the perfect current. When it comes to those worn-out wheels, we don't just slap on a quick fix. We carefully disassemble the drive modules using specialized tools, replacing the bald tires with genuine components to ensure your RoboRock S7 navigates perfectly once again. Now, let's get to the results. Look at that grip. This RoboRock S7 is moving like it just came out of the box. Flawless cleaning every time. Don't let your robot retire early. Contact RoboCare today. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair. Let's get your robot back to work.